Hey guys, this is my disassembly video on the P90. This can work for any brand of P90, including Tokyo Marui, Classic Army, and Echo 1. They're all basically built the same and have the same disassembly and reassembly steps. Okay, first off is you're going to want to take out your magazine and your battery. I already have the battery taken out. It's not required, but I like to take off the upper receiver. Just press this button and the upper receiver just slides right off. I'll put that all to the side. Next, you're going to want to go into your battery compartment and locate the two screws right there and right there. 1 second while I unscrew them. Now that your two screws are unscrewed, just take off this back plate. Sometimes it requires a little bit of wiggling, but just don't force it, it can break. Get your wiring through the hole, and the gearbox is right there. Now to take out the gearbox, all it requires you to do is put your fingers in there and slide it right out. And then there's your gearbox. Now to reassemble, you just do the steps backwards. All you have to do is put the gearbox in at an angle and then just kind of wiggle it in. Just kind of figure out where it should go. Sometimes it takes a while. Sometimes you can get it really quick. Okay, now it's back in. Now, you just feed your wires through that little hole and reassemble the back plate. Sometimes it requires a little jiggling, just like to get it in, just like it did to take it out. Okay, now just screw those two screws back in. Put your battery back in if you want to. Put your back plate on again. Slide the upper receiver back on. Reinsert your battery. And there you go. A fully disassembled and reassembled P90 in under 5 minutes. It's that easy. This is one of the easiest AEGs to disassemble so far. I hope you enjoyed it. Please rate and comment and subscribe. Thanks a lot, guys.